In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get the Cartoonify filter on TikTok. Okay, so once you've launched up TikTok, what you want to do is you want to tap on the Discover tab, which is that little magnifying glass next to the home page. And then once you're on this page, you can see a search bar at the top. What you want to do is type in the search bar Cartoonify. And you want to tap on the first result that says Cartoonify filter. And then you can pretty much tap on any one of these videos. I will go ahead and tap on the first one and you can see the filter working in action. So what you would do is you would select the area that you want to cartoonify, and then you'll see that little cartoon man on whatever object you selected. So to get this filter, you can see above the person's username, it says Cartoonify with that little filter icon. Tap on that and you'll be on the filter page. And what you can do from here is you can add it to your favorites, or you can go ahead and tap on the red camera icon to go ahead and try the filter for yourself. And that's pretty much it. That's how you get the Cartoonify filter on TikTok. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.